Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome po if you're new. Thank you for subscribing and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and i-click nyo na rin po ang notification bell para lagi po kayo na-notify pag may mga bago po akong vlogs weekly. Today po ay samahan nyo po akong maglinis and mag-organize ng aming bahay. Since kakatapos ko lang linisin yung kitchen and yung living area, ngayon naman ay samahan nyo ko na linisin naman yung lahat ng rooms. So yun yung master's bedroom, yung kids room, at saka yung playroom study room ng mga kids. And gaya na nakikita nyo nga, nagsusort ako ng laundry dahil gagawin ko rin yung laundry today. Friday today, kaya last day ng school, so pwede na akong maglaba. It's a big day today guys. Marami akong hiligpitin, marami akong room na lilinisin, kaya kailangan ko ng maraming energy. Kaya samahan nyo ako today na tapusin lahat ito. Dahil bukas, gusto kong magpahinga lang at mag-relax. Kaya, let's slay this day, guys!
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's beautiful.
So this is the first set of my laundry. So pag nagla-laundry talaga ako, nag-start palagi ako sa dark na colored clothes. Then lagi akong tatanong ano yung ginagamit kong panlaba. Ariel yung gamit kong detergent. And then Downy yung Fabcon ko. And then nag-a-add ako ng suka kasama ng Fabcon.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright. It's like a love is
Yung mga fina-fold kong damit dito, yung mga laundry ko pa last Friday. Yeah, you heard it right. Last Friday ko pa nilabhan to at ngayon ko pa lang tinutupi. Kaya kumonti na dahil ginagamit na rin ng mga bata. Minsan talaga may mga house chores na sobrang tamad at tamad tayong gawin. And isa tong pagpo-fold sa talagang kinakatamaran kong gawin. Pero ang ending pa rin naman talaga ay wala akong choice dahil naghihintay siya palagi sa akin. Kayo, ano yung mga pinakakinakatamaran yung house chores? Please comment down below at gusto kong mabasa yan kung ano yung mga house chores na sobrang iniiwasan nyo talagang gawin.
together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup,
Lagi niyo po ako natatanong kung ano po yung ginagamit kong vacuum and steam mop. So, yung ginagamit ko pong vacuum is yung aking Xiaomi Dreamy V10 na cordless vacuum. And then, yung steam mop naman na ginagamit ko ngayon is yung Xiaomi Dirma Multifunctional Steam Mop. Ilalagay ko po yung link dun sa description box para pag gusto nyo rin pong makita or ma-check yung vacuum at steam mop na ginagamit ko ay pwede nyo pong makita yung link dun sa description box.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I say the songs for you. When you feel down and bitter, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go?
Unshare ko lang sa inyo yung bagong addition sa home namin. So, matagal ko na tagang gusto to, itong Young Living na essential oils. So, this is what I got, yung PSK. So, yung premium starter kit na may desert mist. So, ito yung pinili ko. Tingnan nyo, sobrang bagay siya dun sa beddings ko sa ngayon. And sobrang, ang ganda niyang tingnan dito sa kwarto. These are the 10 essential oils. Plus, meron pang isa dito. Ayan. Ito yung stress away. And then, danin siya. Yung mga cards niya. And of course, syempre may product guide, manual for the Desert Mist Diffuser. Ito na yung Oil Bolario journey ko. So, I'm hoping talaga na maging malaking help to para sa amin. Marami kasi ako nababasang testimonies about Young Living essential oils. So, hopefully, soon ako na magbibigay ng mga testimonies ko about itong Pag-Oil Bolario na to. Thanks to my enroller, Miss Benjeline Laksa. Marami kang kailangang ituro sa akin. I'm so excited! Na-explain ko na to before bakit sa loob ako ng bahay nagkasampay dahil nasa 4th floor pa yung sampayan namin and also may schedule siya. Bawal din talaga ako magbuhat ng mabibigat kaya dito na lang sa loob ng bahay ako nagsasampay. And since automatic washing machine naman yung gamit ko, konting pahangin na lang and matutuyo na rin naman kaagad yung mga damit. So far naman, never ko na-experience na nag-amoy kulob yung mga damit. Dati sa playroom ako naghahang ng mga clothes, but since doon na nag-online class yung mga bata, ayan, dito na lang malapit sa laundry area rin ako nagsasampay. So kita siya sa sala, pero wala naman ako ina-expect na bisita, so we don't mind na makita yung mga sampayin namin.
생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe I can control. I miss you, baby. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
Hinintay ko pang matapos yung online class ng mga bata bago ako naglinis ito sa playroom, study room nila. And also, syempre, gumawa rin kami muna ng homework ni Bunso bago ako nag-continue na mag-dinis dito sa playroom. Marami nagkatanong sa akin kung paano ko ba nagagawa lahat ng house chores and kung paano ko nag-juggle lahat ng mga dapat gawin bilang nanay. So, may pina-follow talaga ako na routine. Meron akong daily, weekly, and monthly routine. So, ilalagay ko po sa description box yon. Baka makatulong din sa inyo kung paano nyo i-handle yung schedule nyo everyday.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이
도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 내 심장은 paradise You're beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this Yeah 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money
Yo. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a
Won't you call me when you get this Yeah 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money more money yeah, 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 yeah. More money yeah
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a
나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 yeah
That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next vlog. God bless. Bye!